So we use artificial intelligence to allow anyone anywhere to gain insight from movement using devices that they already own. That technology can be applied in loads of different fields, and we're focusing initially on the medical and healthcare sector because the backlog of surgeries is too high, so there's a real demand for innovation. To begin with, I really just had an idea. There was no business really, we didn't have a product for sale. I was introduced to research and innovation services at Cardiff Met, at the School of Technologies, and we just started to discuss what I was trying to do and the different options that were available to us. We didn't have the funds to go and do something like a SMART partnership straight away, so we had to start small, and that got us to the point where we were able to access SMARTCymru funding, do a feasibility study. We were able to build on that, so then we got an Innovate UK fund, and that then led on to the SMART partnership where we are now.
The research and innovation team is there to support the small businesses to navigate through complex financial processes, and they will also support you to put the IP agreements in place, and they will act as a bridge between the funding agencies, the university, businesses and academic research. So once you have access to all of these, it's going to open doors for new opportunities and new business cases where you can apply some of these technologies and expand your value proposition in your business.
So the SMART partnership has really given us capabilities that we just couldn't have had otherwise. So having that link to the university and having Dad'll come and work for us through the SMART partnership has meant that we've been able to immediately get to work, and because of that we're now employing him.
I joined as a research associate with Agile Kinetic. There is always constant supervision is available whenever you need something, and also there are lots of infrastructure available in here as well. There are space, there are computers. So I think it's a whole package, if I say. So I think it is really beneficial for anyone to have a university connected with the innovation.
Whether it's a big company or a small company, working with the university is one of the best possible ways to solve some of the technical problems that you have. All you need is that one small step to start the conversation and start the collaboration so that you can move towards further funding that's going to achieve your business goals.